Okay, we got our new bolts, and just to show you guys something real quick, you go down and get these at Harbor Freight. They're about $5. So I have about every box of bolts they sell down there. Okay, so this should mount here, up underneath the bottom. I got a good sturdy bolt. Okay, interruption from kids, that's okay. So we're putting a lock washer on here because I don't want the thing to come loose ever. I don't think this is gonna. Well, we'll just snug this one down for now. Okay. And I'm just looking at the other one. And the other one's going to hold the headstock on. We'll get way down here for that one. What I want to do is put the bolt in from the bottom. That's what I was checking just now. It's a square nut on the bottom. You can use our washer and the original bolt. I think we're okay to snug this end down. If you guys want to check out a website I have, it's www.americanpicker.org. Well, not the American Pickers. We're a little better looking. Anyway, I have a site set up there so you can view a lot of the items I pick, because I'm a picker. So we'll zoom in on this a little bit. What I'm going to be doing here is putting on the tool rest. So, and these pieces are just set up so they slide right along with the track. And I'm not going to have very good movement right away because I've painted this. So I'm not tightening everything down real tight because I'm going to allow everything to finish up drying. We did, I put a new edge on my tool rest to make sure it was all even and smooth. Beveled it. I've painted this side about 3 times, here about 2. We left this metal, and the reason I painted this so many times, you're going to be bumping it with your tools and stuff like that on both sides. So we're just trying to get this set about there. I like to have mine just a little bit above center, but we're not setting up for anything right now. This is going to be a little tight starting off. Just going to wear out some of the paint real quick. This is the headstock piece. Now I'm bidding right now on a motor on eBay. It's a Craftsman 1/2 horsepower. There we go. I didn't put the belt on yet. I'm probably going to get a new belt. There you go, guys. I'm going to be putting a Dunlap sticker or a decal. I can print them out. Put one on this side and that side. And we're probably going to trim this thing out in either white or black. There's our finished product. You can't really see how nice it looks with the contrast in the back. Here. There. Now you can see all the edges. I'm really happy with this. Everything's functional on it. Works really well. So we'll clean it up a little more. And I don't know what we're going to do with this one. But I'm going to get a new belt. The other one's probably okay. But I want to set it up for the new motor I'm getting. And this isn't my primary lathe, but I did want a spare lathe just to do a little bit of woodworking on. And I'm really happy with this one. Anyway, you can check us out, www.americanpicker.org, and view our website. If you like any of the advertisements we have there, check those out. It's all good. We do tools, items we've picked. Thanks for watching, guys.